Everyone loves an In-N-Out secret menu item. This is the latest and greatest craze. It's all over social media. I'm sure you've seen it. The Flying Dutchman. I'm gonna show you how to make this at home. To kick things off for our Flying Dutchman at home recreation, we need to make a burger sauce. This is classic In-N-Out spread. If you want things animal style, you know that you're getting it with this spread. Super simple to put together. Just a couple of ingredients. You have them in your pantry. We're starting with some mayo, some ketchup, some sweet pickle relish, a little bit of distilled white vinegar, and some white sugar. Whisk that all together, pop it in your refrigerator. It'll be ready for you when your burgers are done. Next, let's move on to the buns. Now, the Flying Dutchman has no buns. That's kind of the appeal, is it's this low-carb version of an In-N-Out classic. We're using some yellow onions here, really large yellow onions. We want to slice off both stem ends and then get some pretty thick, at least 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch thick slices, and we want to keep those rings together. I've got 4 onion slices. They're not perfect, but they'll work. And 4 all beef patties. I like to do a good 80-20 blend here. Ground chuck is my absolute favorite for burger. And 4 slices of American cheese. So we're going with a classic In-N-Out double patty, griddled onions as the bun, and then burger sauce on top. I'm cooking these on my flat top so we get as close to that authentic In-N-Out experience as we can get. I'm gonna start with avocado oil as my oil. It's a good high temp cooking oil. Get those onions on. I want them to caramelize really heavy and rich on both sides. They need to be flipped very carefully or those rings will come apart. Also onto the griddle go each of our beef patties. I use a layer of parchment paper under my burger press to get them nice and even and flat without it having stick to the press, and then season heavily with my beef seasoning. That good like salt, pepper, garlic blend is the perfect base layer of flavor. Once I have some nice crispy brown edges on my burger patties, I'm gonna give them a quick flip, season the top, and then add on my American cheese. Now, In-N-Out is known for their super thick sliced American cheese, so if you want to, you can actually double up the cheese on each of the patties as well. Now, assembly is important here because we want these onion rings to hold together, and the cheese is going to be the glue that makes that happen. So we're gonna flip this melted cheese onto the top of our cooked onion rings. After that, you simply stack your patties together, and there you have it, the Flying Dutchman. Now, if you want, you can spoon your burger sauce on the inside before you put the patties together, but for me, it's all about the dunk and the drizzle. All right, burgers are done. Burger sauce is ready. I'm about to get real messy. Look at that burger. The cheese is like coming up through the onions. This is not a clean burger to eat, but I have a feeling it's gonna be mega worth it. Yeah, we're going in with some of that burger sauce. This is a classic big bite snooze moment. Just prepare yourselves. It's not pretty and my manners are terrible. Sorry, Mom. The crispy edges of the patty and the onions, plus that kind of textural crunch of the onions being cooked through but not totally soft. This is a texture and flavor sensation. Plus you get the creaminess from that American cheese and the little bit of tang from the burger sauce. This is a very delicious burger. I will definitely be making these again. You have to let me know in the comment section below if this is one of those social media trends that you would smash or if you would pass.